Have you ever paused to consider the incredible journey a humble potato takes to become that irresistible, crunchy snack we all adore? It's a fascinating transformation, a true marvel of modern food production. Today, we're embarking on an exclusive tour, stepping inside the world of Lay's to uncover its delicious secrets. Get ready to discover the meticulous process that brings your favorite potato chips from the farm to your fingertips. It's a story of precision, passion, and that unmistakable crunch. Our adventure begins long before the factory gates, out in the fields where only the finest potatoes are cultivated. Lay's selects specific potato varieties, chosen for their ideal starch content and firm texture. These aren't just any potatoes. They are the stars of our show. Once harvested, these premium potatoes arrive at the factory where their first stop is a thorough cleansing. Powerful washing systems gently but effectively remove every speck of dirt and impurity, ensuring a pristine start to their transformation. Next, our clean potatoes move into the peeling stage. Advanced machines use high-speed brushes or a gentle steam process to expertly remove the skin. This leaves the potatoes perfectly smooth and ready for their next crucial step. Then comes the art of slicing. Each potato is precisely cut into incredibly thin, uniform pieces. This consistent thickness is absolutely vital. It dictates the chip's final texture and ensures even cooking. Too thick, and the chip would be soft. Too thin, and it might burn. After slicing, the delicate potato pieces undergo another rinse. This wash is specifically designed to remove excess starch from their surface. This step is key to achieving that desirable golden color and the ultimate crispness we all expect. Now the magic truly happens as the potato slices enter the frying stage. They are cooked in hot, high-quality oil at a carefully controlled temperature. This rapid cooking process is what locks in the flavor and creates that signature, satisfying crunch. Once perfectly golden and crispy, the chips are quickly drained to remove any excess oil. This ensures they remain light and airy, never greasy. They then move along to the seasoning station. Here, a precise amount of flavoring is sprinkled onto the chips, whether it's the classic touch of salt, the tangy zest of barbecue, or a bold spicy kick. Each chip receives its perfect coating. This is where the iconic Lay's flavors come to life. Finally, the freshly seasoned chips are carefully packaged into airtight bags. This crucial step protects them from moisture and air, preserving their crispness and flavor until they reach your hands. Every single bag undergoes rigorous quality checks. These checks ensure that every chip meets the high standards of taste, texture, and freshness that Lay's is known for. So the next time you open a bag of Lay's, remember the incredible journey within. It's not just a snack. It's a carefully crafted experience, from the farm to the factory to your taste buds, delivering that perfect, unforgettable crunch.